Hello and welcome to Thompson. My name is Justin. I'm the owner of Team 53 and I've partnered with Coach Dave Academy to bring you this week's Learn to Drive video for late model stocks at Thompson as part of iRacing's 2025 Season 4 Week 7 official series. If you guys can, make sure you like and subscribe. It does a ton to help out our channel. Very small time racers here in Wisconsin. My daughter races go-karts. Go-kart season's now over with, which gives me supposed to be a little bit more time to work on these videos and stuff, but it doesn't seem like I'm really getting that extra time. So um, we're doing everything that we can. We've got a lot of exciting stuff coming up for you guys here on the channel, including announcing, and you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, we have a new sponsorship from our friends at Circle Track Performance. They are based out of Georgia. They're a great company, really down-to-earth people. They've been super supportive of us in our transition here over the last month, which, a lot of you guys have seen on the channel. There's been a lot of changes, so we'll just kind of leave it at that. But let's dive in here and learn how to drive Thompson. So this is a track that does not see a lot of official series action. It's pretty much a single lane track. You guys are going to be doing a lot of follow the leader, and you're going to see a lot of bump and runs and things of that nature to kind of get you guys through it. So you just kind of have to be ready for that and be aware of those issues. And we'll kind of talk you through a few things to kind of watch during race trim. So let's head out on track here for qualifying. You'll see, like always, we're going to tire heat, gas brake, swerve, left, right. Whether you're running fixed or open setups, it's the same thing. You definitely want to be tire heating. We'll get up to speed here down the backstretch. And we're going to go up into fourth gear for the Team 53 setup this week. You guys will see that in your notes as well. And if you guys are looking to upgrade any of your sim racing equipment, we've got a new partnership with our friends at Go Motorsports. Go stocks a number of Moza items as well as next level sim rigs. You've heard it on the channel before. I love my Moza R9. We love our next level sim rigs. So if you guys are looking to upgrade those, there's a link in the description below that if you click on that link, it helps our channel out and definitely kind of helps us go here. So check them out, Go Motorsports, and shopgomotorsports.com. So we come up here out of turn 4 with the late model stock, and we're going to get a huge run here on lap 2 of our qualifying run. Lap 2 is the best for me. It just kind of happens sometimes like that. So we're going to run it nice and tight here. You can kind of see with the shadow where I'm at, just a little off of the seam here for the wall. We go down the front stretch, and then the wall kind of opens up here for turn 1. And this is a good point for you guys to kind of start to swing the car out just a little bit and get a little bit wider arc into turn 1. You're going to bring the car down in 1, and our goal is going to be to dip these left side tires down in this black, darker patch here. So we'll kind of show you where we're going to do that. We're going to start to lift right about here. So it's going to be just past, you kind of saw there where the pit opening, this gate opens up, right where that goes away, and you start to kind of touch this line with the nose. That's really where we're braking. So let me go back into the far chase here so you guys can kind of see, even with this set of dash lines there on the track. So we go down into the corner, dip those left sides down. You can already see there, I kind of straddle this seam or this line here with the car. And then you're going to just kind of let it drift up here a little bit mid-corner, and you'll diamond this corner. You see there, I'm just working that throttle, using that throttle, full throttle off to get it to cut and drive off all the way down the backstretch. Same kind of placement down the backstretch, just a little below that seam there. We go into 3, and it's going to be kind of this NASCAR on the wall here. That's really what you're looking for. We'll go back in the cockpit just so you guys can kind of see that. So as that NASCAR comes full view here for me with my FOV, and I go past that, that's where I'm going to brake and get ready for turn 3. And then just like turn 1, we're going to bring it into 3. We're going to use that seam to catch and rotate this car. Let it drift up a little bit here in the center, and then we'll throttle up and we'll just drive right off the corner with a good run there. So nothing super fancy, nothing super particular about this track, but it does kind of provide a little bit of insight. So let's go inside the car, presented by our friends at Overdrive Racing Oils and Lubricants. You guys already know they're an independent AMSOIL dealer. Every time you purchase from them using the link in the description, it helps us get paid. So keeps the content free on this channel as well. Make sure you guys are using that link and helping us out. So here we go, inside the car. So there you go. Pretty good lap there. Let's go back to the far chase. So now as we talk about race trim, Um, that's going to be something that you guys are definitely going to need your Liquid IV, and use code JL53 at checkout to purchase that on Liquid IV's website. You're definitely going to need that this week. I think it's going to be a lot of cautions. Typically, Thompson is. It's a 90 lap race, especially early on. Until guys kind of crash out, and then it's going to be a little bit easier for you. But I mean, basically, the line here is pretty much the exact same in race or qualifying. You see there on cold tires, I got a little loose, just overdriving the car a little bit. Nothing major, but it's definitely something that we're going to want to watch out for. So, you know, it's it's just going to be, like I said, kind of the same old qualifying run. When you guys are going into one, entry to three are kind of the high passing zones, if I had to say. So when you go into turn one, if you can drive the car down a little bit lower, sometimes you can get a good run on them. And if they're thinking really smart, they'll lift and they'll give you the position. Other times, what guys will try and do is they'll use kind of this cut here to drive down underneath someone on corner exit, especially if someone's starting to look a little tight and they're just kind of pushing their car up the track here on exit. You'll see guys kind of cut down below and get a good run coming up off that corner and kind of drive them down the backstretch. That sometimes helps. Otherwise, a lot of times too, it's just, being aware and making sure where guys are at on the track so that if they make a mistake, you're in position to capitalize and kind of get past them. But it's definitely a tough one. It's pretty single lane. It's probably why we haven't seen it on the late model schedule in, I think, about a year. I know it's been a really long time since we've seen it. Long time since I built a setup for here for that. So just kind of be patient this week. Take what you can get. Really focus on kind of more of the safety aspect and just not getting wrecked out and paying attention to that. And you guys should have a great week this week. Make sure to, if you guys are looking computer upgrades, our friends at 007 Custom Gaming PCs, you can join our Discord and message them through there. There's a Team 53 partners link. So we've got pretty much anything you guys might need, not to mention our Team 53 short track setups. We're also offering ARCA and CFix telemetry if anyone's interested. So we should see you guys hopefully in the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe for us. Thanks.